Chapter 20. Famous Indian Battles. Many devastating and eventful wars were fought in India. Many of them have left an everlasting impression in the history of India. Let us name some famous battles of India. It was fought in 1191 CE. In this war, Prithviraj Chauhan, emperor of the Chauhan dynasty, defeated Muhammad Ghori, the Sultan of Ghurud Empire. Can you name it? It was Battle of Tarain. Once India was ruled by Ibrahim Lodi of the Lodi dynasty. Babur drew his attention to create his empire in India. He defeated and killed King Ibrahim Lodi. Can you name it? It was First Battle of Panipat. It is one of the most important battles in Indian history and one of the bloodiest. It is one of the most important battles in the Indian history and one of the bloodiest. It was fought between Emperor Ashoka the Great, the Mauryan emperor, and the ruler of the state of Kalinga. Can you name it? It was Battle of Kalinga. It took place on 23 June 1757 and led to the establishment of the British Empire. The British attacked the rich province of Bengal in India, where they later spread out to other Indian towns. This helped the British in ruling the rest of India, especially after opening a trading post in Calcutta. Can you name it? It was Battle of Plassey. It is regarded as one of the costliest battles ever fought by Alexander the Great because of the great resistance and difficulty that the Macedonian army faced while fighting King Porus' army. The battle was motivated by the curiosity of Alexander the Great, who wanted to explore the eastern side of Asia. Can you name it? It was Battle of Hydaspes. It was fought between Jay Chandra and Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori defeated Jay Chandra in this battle. Can you name it? It was Battle of Chandavar. This battle took place in 1761 at Panipat between the Maratha Empire and the invading Afghan army of Ahmad Shah Abdali, supported by three Indian Muslim rulers, the Rohilla Najib-ud-Dawla, Afghans of the Doab region, and the Shuja-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Awadh. Great and nationalist Maratha army was led by Sadashivrao Bhau. Can you name it? Third Battle of Panipat. It was fought between Mughal Emperor Humayun and Sher Shah Suri of Bihar. Sher Shah Suri defeated Humayun in this battle. Can you name it? It was Battle of Chausa. It was fought between English East India Company and combined army of Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Bengal, and the Nawab of Awadh and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam. The English East India Company won the war. Can you name it? It was Battle of Buxar. It was fought between Mughal Emperor Akbar and Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar. Akbar defeated Rana Pratap in the battle. Can you name it? It was Battle of Haldi Ghati.